2 minus 3 which gives us negative 1. Here in the parentheses also 2 minus 3 which gives us negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 1 which equals to 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. Work from left to right. The same is applies to this addition and subtraction. Okay. Therefore, in this case, there is one subtraction here, one multiplication here. Inside the parentheses, there is one subtraction. First, we have to do this parenthesis, and next this multiplication, finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. So therefore, according to PEMDAS, first we have to do this parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, 2 minus 3 which equals negative 1. And 2 minus 3 times negative 1. Okay. So in this expression, there is no one subtraction and one multiplication. Therefore, multiplication has, according to PEMDAS, multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction. Okay, because multiplication comes before subtraction. Therefore, we have to multiply this number first. Negative 3 times negative 1, which gives us 3, positive 3. Okay, because negative times negative, which is positive. Then 2 plus 3. Okay, it comes positive. Then 2 plus 3, which equals to 5. Therefore, this is the correct answer of this problem. The correct answer is equals to 5.